Good morning. Ever since the COVID-19 pandemic unfolded in Ireland, I have worked night and day to ensure the sustainability of the childcare sector, motivated by love for our precious children, by great respect for their parents and guardians, and also my acknowledgement of our extraordinary professionals in the childcare and early education sector. My officials and political team have also worked side by side with me, along with members of the childcare sector representatives who formed the advisory group and who worked tirelessly with us as well. Such an approach, of course, came naturally to all of us. Together, we had built a high-quality childcare system and had increased the national childcare budget by 141% during the course of my tenure as Minister for Children. I want to address these words now this morning directly to you, the professionals of the childcare sector. And I am absolutely delighted to announce that last night, Cabinet collectively agreed to my funding proposals for a reopening funding package for your and our sector. The full funding package for reopening is worth €75 million. I believe that this will support you to get up and running again. And there are four significant elements of the funding package. Firstly, a reopening grant. You asked for this, of $18 million for center-based providers who are reopening on the 29th of June and also late in August. This will help you with operational costs, including additional staff costs. Secondly, a once-off capital grant. You asked for this too. It's worth €14.2 million. And all registered center-based services reopening between the 29th of June and the beginning of September can avail of this grant. Furthermore, there will be a once-off grant totaling €375,000, which will be provided to registered childminders to support their reopening. Thirdly, there will be a continuation of the revenue-operated temporary wage subsidy scheme. This is worth €32.8 million to continue to the end of August, providing an 85% contribution towards the cost of wages. And finally, all DCYA funding schemes, including universal subsidies and targeted subsidies for parents such as the NCS, the TEC, and the CCS, will be available again from the 29th of June. As you know, we have clear public health guidance now for the childcare sector on how you can reopen and manage your work as safely as possible. We now have a funding model which supports you to offer your services in line with that public health guidance. I believe that this will support your sustainability, and it's the first step back towards full capacity. Thank you for your commitment, your generosity, and your patience. This is a significant funding package to support you in reopening your work.